Look what I got. The viral Wirkin bag. So I'm excited, you guys. So I ordered this off of Dhgate. And I think I ordered it like February the 10th. Something like that. So it took almost a month to receive. And I received it today. And I'm excited. So I'm going to open it up. And see, I have not opened this package. And you guys, I don't specialize in leather or bags per se. And I know quality when I feel it. And I know authenticity or good leather, but I don't specialize in leather. So I won't be like dissecting the leather. I'm tired. I won't be dissecting it. I will just be telling you if it feels good or not. Oh my God, I'm getting excited because I waited long enough for this bag. Hermes, coming to Hermes. I wish it would have came in a box. Okay. Okay, guys. Has the feet on it. And let's see if it has the brand on it. Now, I do have a Birkin, a real Hermes Birkin. It's orange. I have it on my Instagram, Miss Alexis, MISALEXXIS. So this leather doesn't feel as real. It doesn't really feel. It feels like it's leather, but like a light, like it got one thin coat of leather on it. It doesn't feel like it's solid all the way through. But it does have the brand on it. And it's it's made very nice. And Hermes have a thick lining on the inside that trims around the bottom, but this one does not. But it does have this. It does have like a pocket for a cell phone and a zipper on the side. So I like it. I like it. I am pleased, I guess you could say. It's not that disappointing. It does have a little smell to it. Yeah, it feels good actually. Doesn't feel as authentic as my other Hermes. Like the other one's just quality, but it's pretty though. I will sport it. All right, you guys.